What's going on, guys? Irvin here, and today's on how-to video is going to be a relatively simple one on a Windows 11 system. So we're going to be configuring IP version 4 or IPv4 on this Windows 11 version. So let's go ahead and get started. We have our IP address, our subnet mask, we have our default gateway, we also have a preferred DNS, and then we have also an alternate DNS. That's going to be our scenario for today. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on that one. So I'm already in the lab environment. So if you want to go ahead and click here on your start menu, the start icon, right click and then click system. Once you're in here on the left hand side, you're going to see network and internet. Go ahead and give it a click right there. And then the first option here under network and internet is the Ethernet. You're going to want to go ahead and be in there. So once you click in there, scroll down a little bit up until you see the IP assignment. On the right hand side, you'll see a little button called edit. Go ahead and click on that one, and right now it's set to DHCP, which is automatic. What we're going to want to go ahead and do is change it over to manual. So you click there, manual, and we have our two options, either IPv4 or IPv6. Today we're not going to do IPv6, we're going to do IPv4 as our scenario states. So once you click it, you're going to go ahead and have a couple of things like your IP, your subnet mask gateway, preferred DNS, and then we have the alternate down here. This is what we're going to go ahead and do. So let's go ahead and do it. Our IP address is 192.168.0.15. After that, either press tab or just go ahead and move your mouse cursor over the subnet mask, and let's go ahead and enter that one right now. 255.255.255. I'm sorry, .0.0. I'm used to the 255.255. Okay, so on this one, it's going to be just 255.255.0.0. On our gateway, again, 192.168.0.5. Preferred DNS 163.128.78.93. And our alternate address, if you scroll down a little bit right here, go ahead and click into it. Again, 163.128.80.93. Once you've got all of this, make sure not to make mistakes on this one, otherwise it won't work. You won't be able to ping it. Your network won't work, just like I did here earlier. I messed up. Just make sure to go back and do the exact correct ones the way it required you to do so. Now, after you are sure and you verify that these are the correct IP addresses for every single one of these, go ahead and click on save. And once you're on save, just go ahead and exit out of this one. Again, you're going to want to right click on your start menu. We're going to open up a Windows terminal. This is the same thing as a command prompt on the Windows 10 environment. So in here, we're going to go ahead and just ping our DNS server. Not the alternate server, but the regular preferred DNS. So you type in the word ping, and then let's type in that address, 163.128.78.93. Then hit enter, and we have 4 replies, 0 lost. That means we are good to go. And that will conclude today's video. I was going to go ahead and hit score lab, but that's perfectly fine. If you want to go ahead and see me do that, I'll go ahead and do that now. And we got a 2 out of 2, 100. So you guys are good to go. If you guys have received any knowledge or have received any good things from this video, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate your feedback. Appreciate it. You guys have a good one. Until next time.